How to send Bitcoin from crypto.com to another wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can send Bitcoin from crypto.com to another wallet. Now, once you log into your crypto.com on your wallet, the crypto wallet application or the browser, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. You want to simply tap on the accounts option at the bottom of your screen. You can see their accounts. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you want to select the crypto wallet option, and from there you want to select a particular crypto that you wish to transfer. If you wish to transfer Bitcoin, simply tap on Bitcoin. Once you tap on Bitcoin, you'll be headed to Bitcoin details page. You can see the buy option, sell option, and transfer option. What you want to do is you want to simply tap on transfer option there on the screen on the Bitcoin details page there. Once you tap on transfer, it'll ask you to enter. You want to select either deposit or withdraw. Since you want to withdraw it to another wallet, simply tap on withdraw. Once you tap on withdraw wallet, you'll get options to withdraw. However, you want to tap on external wallet option since you want to transfer it to another wallet. And from there, what you want to do is you want to tap on the plus icon at the top right corner on the blue. You can see the plus icon since you want to add in a new wallet address. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you want to select the wallet address option. And under there, what you want to do is you want to enter in the wallet address from another wallet address. You want to copy it and you want to paste here, and you want to enter in wallet name. Tap on continue, and then you want to once you enter in the address and such, simply tap on confirm, and your withdrawal will be confirmed and it'll be sent to your next wallet that you entered your address from. So this way you can send Bitcoin from crypto.com to another wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.